Climbing is at a point in my life where it's just a part of who I am and a part of my identity. It's a way that I can move beyond just looking at a place and I can actually feel it.
I think climbing's super personal, and for me what it's done is really shown me that I can break through mental barriers, and it's not just like making hard moves, it's making hard moves when your mind's going like a million miles an hour.
I think those moments are addicting. You want them. And the positive part to those moments is they almost never come free. Nobody down there can make that rope carry you up. You're the only person that'll get it up there. So it's nice that sometimes you have to dig a little deeper than you think. You have to take those breaths and you have to go for it.
You know, rock climbers have the passion of wanting to climb. It's something about, not necessarily getting to the top always, but it's the challenge.
It's only you and the rock there, and as cliche as it sounds, but you can share those experiences with other people, but like you have to go out and do it for yourself and take away from that what you can.
You'll get in this moment where everything goes together and everything goes together effortlessly. And those moments are kind of very Zen-like and few and far between in the modern world, I feel like.
For rock climbing, it provides me a means of progressive self-improvement. It's something that I can choose my level of participation in, and then there's a metric for success.
Kind of defines where you go and where you spend a lot of your time. I'll keep climbing for as long as I possibly can, but I still love it after 20 years. It's just very unique.